everybody, welcome to Chef Nano's Kitchen. Today I'm at my son's house and I'm going to show him how I make my famous Soppressata bread. What you do is I got some Asiago cheese and I got a little bit of pepper jack you could put. You don't have to put pepper jack. You could put any kind of cheese you really want. So I got a little bit of mozzarella sprinkle in there. And the next one, we put some jalapeno peppers. Now the jalapeno peppers, if you take the seeds out, they're not really that hot. It's just, you want a little bit of pepper taste in the bread. And you put them sideways like that. Not this way, because you're going to be cutting them in slices when you cut the bread. All right, so it's looking pretty good so far. The next thing, we put the Soppressata. And I got kind of, you don't want to cut them real thin. You could cut them thin. You could use prosciutto. You could use salami. Some people put ham in the bread. You could put it whatever you desire, whatever you want. Good stuff. Now here I got, last time I put some Roma tomatoes, and the bread was kind of a little bit too watery inside. So here I got sun-dried tomatoes. These are nice, sun-dried. And they're dipped in olive oil. I got a little bit, it's a little bit of olive oil. You can do a little garlic with it and just go around and put it around the outside. The reason for this is so it all stick together when you roll it up. It's really a rolled up bread. Here we go. So you take it and you roll it over, and then you take the end and flap it over so it won't leak on you, like that. Take the other end, roll it over. Oh, that piece sticking out, okay, like that. And then we roll it, and then at the end, just pull the other half up. It looked like I might have put a little bit too much everything inside, but we'll see what happens. You'll find out after you make it the first time. If you overloaded it, then you go lighter. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. And do we have some oregano? Let's sprinkle a little bit on there. We got some. Okay, like I said, I'm not in my kitchen, so I don't know where nothing's at. Okay, now, rub. There we go. I found the oregano. Sprinkle some oregano in here. You could sprinkle a little Parmesan too, but last time I did that, it was kind of burned. So here we go. It's all set. And put it in there for temperature 375 for about 25 minutes. You could put it 30 if you want it crispier. Now the worst part, I gotta wait 25 minutes. I'm getting hungry. So look, looking good. And then we just take it out of here. We'll let it sit here for about 10-15 minutes, pretty hot, and then we'll cut it. We'll do the taste test. Look at that baby. Now you could cook it if you want a little crispier crust. Cook it for an extra 5 minutes. But it looks pretty good. Tasty now. Salute. Thank you all. See you next time.